Alhamdulillah, Mishkah University has truly been a blessing in terms of seeking authentic knowledge and essentially making sure that I'm on the right path to attain that Islamic knowledge.
Alhamdulillah, what I love about Mishkah, and the reason why I joined the Mishkah is to have some sort of structured program, really, to be able to learn the deen in a structured manner. Too many people are just getting on top of the minbar on Friday, and they don't know what they're doing. They don't know what they're saying. There's no structure to it. So we said, no, let's lead by example and attend a formal school. That way you are qualified or have that bar set.
This university is such a huge blessing that many people who graduate from it, they actually go on to become community leaders and giving da'wah, and also some of them even go on to study more and get higher education. If they have that thirst for knowledge, inshallah, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, they will find that knowledge quenched with them, that thirst of knowledge quenched for them.